So I just have a little swelling around my mouth, but there is like absolutely no pain. I got the dimple surgery. I had gotten some fat taken out of my arms. I also got breast implants and I had nipple repair. And we also did a full BBL liposuction here. This is the next day out of surgery and I'm already sitting up. I feel no pain whatsoever. These are also 745 cc's, which is a very big breast, and the charge was very minimal. These are textured, so they don't move. They are really trustworthy. The entire staff, they don't rip you off. They make sure that you have somewhere to stay. They make sure that you know where you're going. Picking you up from the airport, taking you back to the airport. They call you every day, check on you. Never in my life have I received such good customer care. You guys, definitely, if you want to get your body done, come to India. Come here to Divine Cosmetics and get your surgery done. They do very good clean work. Hi, my name is Ebony, and I am a United States citizen. I'm from the United States, but I recently moved to South Africa for law school, and I heard about this clinic, word of mouth, here in India, Divine. And I just want to say this: I actually volunteered, and I told the doctor that I really wanted to do this for them. Very good clinic. You can trust them. I'm only a day out of surgery. So I just have a little swelling around my mouth, but there is like absolutely no pain. I got the dimple surgery. I had gotten some fat taken out of my arms. I also got breast implants and I had nipple repair. And we also did a full BBL liposuction here. They did a wonderful job. This is the next day out of surgery and I'm already sitting up. I feel no pain whatsoever. These are also 745 cc's. So this is the size I got, 745 cc's, which is a very big breast, and the charge was very minimal. I can tell you right now, in America or in any other country, they will not charge you the same price as India for 745 cc's. These are very big breasts, and they usually cost a lot more. These are textured, so they don't move. And he also did something under here where I don't even have a bra on right now, where the breasts are lifted. They don't flop down. But my main concern, the reason why I got my breast done, because this is the third time I had my breast done, was the last time I had my breast done, the doctor messed up on my nipple, and I was so upset because I didn't want to show my nipples. Like if I go out on a date or I'm intimate with my man or something like that, I was very insecure about it. So they did a nipple repair as well. And again, I don't feel any pain. Also, the staff here is amazing. Being that I came to India alone, I really wasn't sure what I was getting into, but I'm gonna tell you right now, like they came and picked me up from the airport free of charge. They offered me a place to stay on their premises, but because I'm staying a little longer than post-operative care, one of the young ladies that work here, she walked me block to block to block, and they spoke in their language and got me beautiful upscale hotel room, not an Airbnb, but an upscale hotel room for like $27 a day, which is a very good price. And I get to stay here for longer than 2 weeks so that I can go and travel and go to Taj Mahal and different things like that. They are really trustworthy. The entire staff, they don't rip you off. They make sure that you have somewhere to stay. They make sure that you know where you're going. Picking you up from the airport, taking you back to the airport. They call you every day, check on you. I mean, I couldn't have had a better experience as far as getting my body work done. I've gotten my body work done before, and never in my life have I received such good customer care. When you get plastic surgery, y'all need to understand that the operation is not the problem. That post-operation, the post-care, the aftercare is what's important. That's what's going to make or break the actual surgery. And by far, they have the best aftercare that I've seen yet. So, you guys, definitely, if you want to get your body done, come to India. Come here to Divine Cosmetics and get your surgery done. They do very good clean work. Another thing that I was a little concerned with is that, my waist is like, they did my waist like, it's like 21, 22 inches. I'm still a little swollen, so when I show y'all in the next video, but one thing I was worried about, because I have a 745cc, was the garment. They actually had someone come in here and do a custom made garment on my body. Like, he came in and did all the measurements, and they actually create the garment for you. Now, I have never seen that anywhere. Everywhere else I've been is either small, medium, large, and then they get it altered, but not here. They actually will have a garment, the protective garment that you need to wear for like, they tell you only wear it like a month, but you need to wear it like 6 months. They actually make it to your body at a very, very, very minimal cost. Literally, like, I couldn't ask for more. And in the next video, I will show you guys my body with my shirt off.